Hey friends, welcome back to that video of Semantic Kernel series. In this video, we are going to create embedding. So what so far we built taking the talking assistants and even the chat memory. But today we are going deeper, little more deeper. How remember something called embedding. Before keep dive into the code, we will get to know what is embedding. So think of embedding as a mathematical way of capture the meaning of the same sentence or phrase or word. So you can say sentence, phrases or word, if you are storing as a text or content, it will occupy more memory. So if you are converting that into number and if you are going to store into the data into the memory, it is occupying less memory and it is easy to search. And this search for similar thing is easy. So semantic kernel let you generate embedding from the text and use them to save memory, search for similar things, build a smart document search, and power of this all everything, it is easy to QA in section. So let's build a small console application for this. Don't wait, we will start the coding. We will write a small app turn to the school embedding. So for that I'm going to create again example 3 right now. Example 3 embedding. If you are like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and give some idea what I can build next for this semantic kernel or any other .NET related things. Now we are going to install like previously we are going to install two plugin. One is for semantic kernel. I'm going to install it, and next one more going to use connector Google. Now we have installed all those things. Now I'm going to open and to use some time to kernel dot create builder. Now builder is ready. Now again we are going to create get a API key equal to environment dot get environment variable API key. It is not nullable, so I have added that exclamation symbol. Now I'm going to add builder dot services dot. Till now you can see in the previous video we are using directly builder dot add chat completion, Google chat completion, but here it is a service. So we are going to add Google Gemini embedding AI embedding service. Okay. So under that, here you can see model ID. The model ID, it's not till now we have used Gemini uh, Flash version 2.5, but in this version we need to use embedding 001. That is our model, and we can use API key as API key. Okay. Now our model, our registration is done. We are going to create a kernel as how we will do previously. So I'm going to add kernel. Sorry, before that var kernel equal to builder dot build. Okay, super. So now we are going to create a embedding service. Okay, so I'm going to use embedding generator. Embedding generator. So kernel dot get record services. So record services is I embedding generator. Okay, so this embedding generator, it is going to ask two parameters. One is for string and if I pass the string, it is going to, you can see here, input is one input tag is going to give us a string, and another one we have to give embedding of response going to give float. This generator is ready for us. Now what we can do, we can create one small prompt. Okay, so example, I'm going to add one school note. The school note is my physics class. For example, physics class is at 9 a.m. every Tuesday. So this is simple note. So what I'm going to do, this note we need to convert into numbers. So how we can do that, I'm going to add embedding equal to, that is again it's a asynchronous method. I'm going to call embed generator dot generate asynchronous. Generate asynchronous. What we need to pass, the note, whatever we have, that's what we need to convert, right? So I'm going to pass note. So now our embedding is ready. Now I'm going to write whatever we are getting from AI. So what I'm going to write now, console dot write line embedding vectors. Vector, how it is coming, let's. So this vectors, it is an array. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to convert array to string. I don't want to write entire vector. I'm going to take some top 5 or 10 records. Okay, so now I'm going to join string dot join of what we need to join with comma, I need to join. Okay, so what data I need to pass, embedding whatever the data we received. There we may have vectors, right? So vectors, it's an array. So what we can do, I want to take only, if you want to take, I'm going to convert array, and I'm going to take 5 or 7. Now I will take only 7 for time being. Let's see how it is going to build. So it is complaining me, don't use capital letter. So I'm going to use small letter n. Okay, now the code is ready. Let build and run. How it is behaving, let's see. So I'm going to go to our example 3 project. I'm going to run .NET run. Let's see what it is going to happen. Now the application is building, and based on our physics class is at 9 a.m. every day, every Tuesday. So based on that, it is going to generate the vector, and we are going to retrieve the 7 response. You can see here, this is what we have. So okay, so based on this text, it is converted into now vectors. So the next video, what we are going to see, filters and observability with the semantic kernel, how it is, and securing our AI. This all the codes are available in my GitHub repository. You can download it if you want. You can, if you like it, you can make it the you can click the start button in the GitHub repository, and you can download it and use it for your reference. Thank you.